Looking for a cordless jigsaw but not sure which one is actually worth your money? Here's the full ranking, from the weakest option to the one that gives you the best overall performance. At the bottom of this ranking, we have the BLACK+DECKER. That does not make it bad. It just means that next to the other saws here, this one feels more like a simple home tool than something built for heavy, regular use. Here's what it does well. You get a variable speed trigger, tool-free blade changes, a dust blower, and bevel cuts to 45 degrees on both sides. And unlike most of the others in this lineup, it comes as a full kit with a battery and charger. In my experience, that matters a lot if you are buying your first cordless jigsaw and do not want extra cost right away. But there's a problem. It has the lowest speed in this group, the shortest stroke, and it is clearly aimed below the pro-level models from DEWALT and Makita. So if you plan to cut thicker material often, or you care a lot about speed and control, this one starts to feel limited pretty fast. This might work for you if you only need a jigsaw for occasional jobs around the house, like trimming a shelf, cutting thin plywood, or making a few weekend fixes. And if that sounds like you, check the links in the description under the video because I've put all the products from this review there at the best price. Now let's move up to something a little stronger. Next up is the RYOBI, and this one feels like the step between basic homeowner gear and something a bit more serious. It lands above the BLACK+DECKER because it gives you more speed and a more useful feature set without getting too complicated. You get up to 3,000 strokes per minute, 4 orbital settings, an LED light, and a shoe that is less likely to mark up your work surface. RYOBI also claims lower vibration, and that can help the saw feel calmer in your hands, especially if you are trying to follow a curved cut instead of just powering through a rough job. Still, it does not feel as complete as the top models in this ranking. It is not listed as brushless, and the published specs are not as detailed as what you get from Makita and DEWALT. So while it looks better than the BLACK+DECKER on paper, it still does not give you that same confidence you want when you are paying for a longer-term tool. This is a good pick for the casual user who already owns batteries in this platform and wants something quicker and more capable than an entry-level saw. And before we get to the next one, hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel because the top 3 are where things get really interesting. In third place, the Makita starts to feel like a real jump. This is where the list stops being about decent value and starts being about serious performance. It is compact, brushless, and much closer to a professional tool. What stands out here is the control. You get both a variable speed trigger and a speed dial plus a soft start style mode that helps the blade ease into the cut more smoothly. Add in the LED light, dust blower, electric brake, and strong cut capacity, and you have a saw that feels well thought out. It is the kind of tool that makes cleaner cuts feel easier, especially when you are trying to stay accurate. The reason it does not beat the 2 DEWALT models is simple. Its top speed is a little lower and its stroke is shorter, so while it feels refined, the DEWALT saws give you a bit more raw cutting pace. And if you really care about the most planted, precise grip style, the barrel grip DEWALT still has an edge. This one makes sense for someone who wants a compact, high-quality saw with smooth control and a strong overall balance. It is easy to recommend for careful DIY work and light pro use. But now we get to the 2 saws that really sit at the top. In second place is the top-handled DEWALT, and this is where performance gets serious. If you like the familiar shape of a traditional jigsaw but want pro-level speed and features, this one checks a lot of boxes. It has a brushless motor, a full 1-inch stroke, up to 3,200 strokes per minute, variable speed control, orbital settings, keyless bevel adjustment, an LED light, and a dust blower. So, on paper and in use, it feels fast, capable, and easy to work with. Compared with the Makita, it gives you more cutting pace. Compared with the lower-ranked tools, it simply feels more complete. Its only real issue is not that it is weak, it is that the #1 saw feels even better for fine control. The top handle design is comfortable and familiar, but some people find that a barrel grip saw gives them a better view and a steadier feel, especially on detailed cuts. So this is a great choice for buyers who want high-end performance without changing to a different grip style. It is probably the safest premium pick in this whole lineup. But if you want the one that feels the most dialed in, the final saw takes it. And in first place, the barrel grip DEWALT comes out on top. It shares a lot with the second place saw, but the way it feels in actual use is what pushes it ahead. You still get the brushless motor, the same 3,200 stroke per minute speed, the same one in stroke, orbital settings, keyless adjustments, LED light, dust blower, and dust extraction support. But the barrel grip design gives you a lower, more connected hand position. Here's why it matters. It can feel a bit like the difference between steering with your fingertips and steering with your whole hand. Now, this design is not for everyone. If you are used to a top handle, it can take a little time to adjust, and it does not have the same trigger-style feel some people prefer. But once you get comfortable with it, the extra control is hard to ignore. And this is the one I would point to for the buyer who wants the strongest overall mix of precision, power, and pro-level feel. It is not the cheapest route, and it is not the simplest, but it earns the top spot. Check the links in the description under the video to see the top products and current prices. And if this review helped you narrow it down, like the video and subscribe to the channel.